For a long time, you've seen my tutorials through a cartoon AI character. But today, I'm making a big upgrade. I've replaced my old cartoon avatar with this realistic AI version of myself. And the best part? Everything you're seeing right now is powered by Google's latest AI tools. In this tutorial, I'll show you the complete process step by step. You'll learn how to create a realistic AI avatar, generate talking videos, and bring everything together using Google Gemini and Omni. So if you've ever wanted to create videos like this without being on camera, this tutorial is for you. Before we continue with the tutorial, I want to quickly tell you about my private school community. We already have over 70 members learning how to use AI tools to build passive income online. Access to the community normally costs $5, but for this video, I'll be giving 5 lucky winners free access. Just fill out the Google form in the description. Now, let's get back to the tutorial. First, we need to create an AI avatar from our image. For that, we'll go to Google and click on Gemini. After that, click on the plus icon and select your image. Then tell Gemini, use the reference character exactly as provided. Character is sitting on a university campus lawn in front of a large academic building. He is holding a small handheld microphone with a furry windscreen close to his mouth. Friendly, confident smile, natural bokeh, professional composition. After that, click submit and wait for a few moments. Gemini will generate an AI avatar image for you. And here is our AI avatar image. But what if you want to create your own custom AI avatar? Let's see how. I'll take a random image and go to Gemini. Then I'll click on the plus icon and upload my image. Now I'll simply tell Gemini, I want to turn this normal image into a professional YouTube studio setup. Person should be sitting in a YouTube style studio with a microphone in front of them. Add a cinematic look with red rim lighting from the left side and blue rim lighting from the right side, visible on the hair and ears. Create a realistic, high quality image in a 16:9 horizontal aspect ratio. After that, click submit and wait for a few moments. Gemini will generate a custom AI avatar image for us. And here is our custom AI avatar. Now let's generate a video using Omni. Search for Flow AI. Then click on the second result that says Google Flow. After that, you'll see an interface like this. Click on the Try Omni Now button. A new interface will open. If you're opening it for the first time, it may not look exactly like this. You'll see an arrow like this. Click it and go through the next steps around 3 to 4 times. After that, you'll reach an interface like this. Here it clearly says, you're generating with Gemini Omni Flash, our latest video model. Try creating 10-second clips, adding audio and image references, or editing a video into a new style. From here, you can generate videos with lip sync. Click on the plus icon and upload your AI avatar image. After uploading the image, click on Add Prompt. In the prompt section, we'll add 1 line of dialogue from our script that can fit within 10 seconds. This is my script. We'll take the first line of the script and paste it into Omni, along with a detailed prompt so it can generate a video with the same character, same background, natural movements, and accurate lip sync. Here is the detailed prompt. After pasting the prompt, you can adjust the settings here. From here, you can change the aspect ratio. From here, you can change the video duration. A 4-second video costs 14 credits. A 6-second video costs 20 credits. An 8-second video costs 24 credits. A 10-second video costs 30 credits. I'm going to select 8 seconds and click Generate. The video will take around 1 to 2 minutes to generate. And there you go. Our video has been generated. Now let's play it and take a look. For a long time, you've seen my tutorials through a cartoon AI character. But today, I'm making a big upgrade. Perfect. The video looks great with proper natural movement. Now let's quickly generate the remaining clips. For the next video, we'll use the same prompt. We'll only change the background activity and the dialogue, then click Generate again. Our second video has also been generated. Now I'll quickly generate videos for the rest of the script. And now, all of our video clips have been generated. Next, click on the 3 dots on the video and select 1080p Upscale. The video will be downloaded in higher quality. Our video has been generated. But there's one problem. Videos generated with Omni are limited in duration, and each clip can have a different voice. There can also be copyright concerns if you use the generated audio directly, so we'll replace the voice. First, search on Google for a video to audio converter. Open the website, upload your video, and click Convert. Once the conversion is complete, download the audio file. Next, search for ElevenLabs. Open it and log into your account. After that, click on Voice Changer and upload the audio file. Now select your favorite voice and click Generate Voice. ElevenLabs will create a new version of the audio using the selected voice. Our new voice is ready. Let's click Download and save the audio file to our computer. Finally, import everything back into your editing software and sync the new audio with the video. And here is our final video. For a long time, you've seen my tutorials through a cartoon AI character. But today, I'm making a big upgrade. I've replaced my old cartoon avatar with this realistic AI version of myself. And the best part? Everything you're seeing right now is powered by Google's latest AI tools. In this tutorial, I'll show you the complete process step by step. You'll learn how to create a realistic AI avatar, generate talking videos, and bring everything together using Google Gemini and Omni. So if you've ever wanted to create videos like this without being on camera, this tutorial is for you. Don't forget to join our private community. The Google form link is in the description below.